Can you fast on a plane? Now, obviously, we've talked about a traveler, but yeah, can you fast on a plane?
Yeah, look, I
Especially,
mean,
when the air hostess comes with a trolley of food asking you, do you want chicken or lamb?
look, I mean, if you're a traveler, as I mentioned, if you meet the conditions for a traveler according to Sharia, which is you're going on a journey more than 48 miles or 48 miles or more, and that journey has begun, for example, um, and the journey you've begun that journey, and that's when the time for fasting enters. You are now considered a traveler for that day, right? So you don't have to fast. But if you've got a flight that day, you can choose to fast. You can choose to, and rather, it's better to fast where you have the capacity to do so. Remember, the journeys of today and the journeys of the past were very, very different.
Yeah,
A plane journey cannot be compared to a journey on camelback or on a donkey or on a horse, right, in a desert. It's just very, very different. So yes, if you have the capacity to, then do so.